Hello, welcome to SuperBolter, world's easiest home design and renovation platform. To begin, find and select your floor plan on SuperBolter. Give your 3D home a name. Find your newly added floor plan in the My Homes page. Let's start designing your home. Click on Continue Designing. You'll now see your 3D home. To get a better look of your home, rotate the home and zoom in and out. To design a room, click on the All Rooms tab on the bottom right corner and select a room. You'll see a list of beautiful designs on the right. Select a design you like and click on Apply Design. This design gets applied to the 3D room. Now adjust the design to your space. Move products around to fit the space and delete products you don't need. Add products to the room if you want. Personalize the design till you are happy. Similarly, let's design the bedroom. Select a bedroom from the All Rooms tab. Pick a design and apply it to the room. Modify the design to your space and personalize it as you like. Let's take a walk through your room. Click on the walkthrough button and use the arrow keys to navigate. Similarly, design other room in the home. Try wall paints, wallpapers, flooring, and more to complete the look. To add a product to the room, select a product category in the Products tab on the top. Select a product, click on Try Product. Move your mouse pointer in the 3D room and click when you see a green tick mark. Here is the moment of magic. Click on the light bulb on the bottom left corner and see your home in the various light modes. Get your 3D home now and start designing.